Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Yoga 90 Plus. These are wireless neckband earphone in yellow color from the brand Zebronics. So let's get started. Now these are wireless neckband earphone and you can see the Zebronics branding here. You can see the product image here. Some features that it has are it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. That means you can easily connect your Android or your iPhone with this wireless neckband earphone. There is voice assistant support. The driver size that you get in this wireless neckband earphone is 10 mm and you get a 10-hour playback time also. Other features that I mentioned on the side of the box are it has magnetic earpiece, it has metallic earpiece, call function is there, plus flexible neckband is there. You can do dual pairing. You can connect two mobile phones with this wireless neckband, and built-in rechargeable battery you get a Type-C charging cable, and it is also splash proof. So even if some water spills over it, they will not get spoiled. Now these are the various color options that you get in this wireless neckband. There is red, yellow, green, blue, and the one I have with me is yellow in color. So let's open the box. And nice bright yellow color you can see. So it's basically black and yellow. Now this one is the neckband. It's quite soft, made of good quality plastic and very flexible. So even while working out, cycling, jogging, you can wear these. And this is yellow in color. You can see the wire. And in fact, these silicone cups are also yellow in color, which is quite interesting. You get this extension over here. That means they fit into your ear really well. And there is this magnet here. And so this is the neckband that you get. What else is there inside the box? Oh, nice. So you also get these extra silicone ear cups in different sizes. So you want to try a different size, you can try these. Plus you get a user manual here which lets you understand the product in a better way. And there is this charging cable that you get. It is Type-C charging cable. The other end you can easily connect with your charger or with your laptop, however you're charging it. The charging time that it takes is 1 hour, and once it is charged fully, you can play this for 10 hours at a stretch. So this was it in the unboxing video of Yoga 90 Plus wireless neckband earphone. Yellow in color, you get the neckband, extra silicone ear cups, you get the user manual and the charging cable. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.